Chalo, all the best.
Thank you. Hello, good evening. I extend a warm welcome to all our viewers on this IAI3 EduTalk. Today, it is our second session. In the first session, we had Dr. Neeta Parathe, who is the president of IAI3. And today, we have the vice president, Dr. Paulos Arimbul. Welcome, Dr. Paul.
Thank you.
IAI3, it stands for International Association of Industry Institute Interface. Our vision, our president's vision in starting these conversations over coffee, interviews, it was to showcase the lives of very ordinary people. Now, the pandemic, it brought out the best in people, human endeavor, people working tirelessly, selflessly, social work. There were some people who provided free transport to migrant laborers from one state to another. There were some people who cooked for thousands of people, and yet some more people who made food. And they packed them up and they delivered them on the social media platform through Dunzo. And of course, committees were formed to provide vaccines and medicines, and all this was done without charging anything. It was in addition to what the civic administration was doing. But there were some heroes. They did this. They didn't want recognition. They didn't want rewards, but they did this because of a human angle, humanitarian angle. So social service, of course, is one of our main aspects, but also there were housewives in the pandemic. They cooked, they provided meals for many people. They were called COVID moms. And also we have heard of a startup in New Zealand. They have found out how to transmit electricity over large distances without wires. So we are going to showcase people who had out of the box ideas, people who touched everyone's lives, millions of lives. And not just the pandemic, but there are so many heroes who work, they plant forests, they do so much for the environment. We are hoping that the viewers who watch our conversations, our interviews, will get inspired. They will come and showcase their own stories as well. And of course, they might join the people who have come for interviews over here so that we can get larger and more diverse projects. I am Anjali Sanghvi, and I am a soft skills trainer. I am a member of IAI3. But today, it is my greatest stroke of good fortune to introduce to you Dr. Paulos Arimbul. Once again, welcome, Dr. Paul.
Thank you.
Dr. Paulos, he is a stalwart, a rock of Gibraltar, I would say a powerhouse in transactional analysis. He has been a marketing professional for over 4 decades. He retired as a general manager. Now, his first exposure to TA was when he was studying business administration, and there was a subject, executive skills development, and he learned his first lesson in TA. He joined BTA in 2004, TA standing for transactional analysis. He finished BTA in 2016 under the body of ICTA. His vision in life, Dr. Paulos' vision in life is to spread TA all over India. His mission is to teach TA, not only in India, but abroad. He traveled pan-India, and in his own words, he experienced the goodness of people. Now, Dr. Paulos has broken an age-old myth, which says that elderly people are technologically challenged, but he has developed online communication to a high degree of excellence. So it is indeed my honor and my privilege to welcome you, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome to our IAI3 EduTalks.
Thank you, Anjali, for good introduction, and you spoke nice words about me. Welcome participants, welcome audience.
Yes, sir. We would like to know, when did you join IAI3?
Well, Anjali, madam, I came to know about IAI3 sometime in March 2018.
Yes.
I saw around 200 trainers are there. I like to interact and connect and relate to people. So I became a paid member of IAI3 in April 2018.
Right.
And then I took the responsibility as a joint secretary and started my activities like knowledge sharing and e-journal, etc., etc.
And what is the position you hold in IAI3, Dr. Paul?
Seeing my enthusiasm in connecting to people, bringing trainers, in conducting knowledge sharing session, getting articles for publishing, e-journal, etc.
Yes.
Dr. Neeta elevated me as a vice president in October 2020.
Wow.
Thank you.
And then what are your responsibilities when you hold a position of vice president of
Well,
IAI3?
Anjali
What is it
madam,
that your
my
yes.
main responsibility is interacting with people, all members, and also to bring as many trainers as members to the IAI3 platform.
Right.
Now I interact with them, get their commitment to conduct knowledge sharing session on every Tuesdays at 5:30, and Dr. Neeta convert them into YouTube videos, and they are circulated on the social media.
Oh, I see. I see. And what are the activities of IAI3?
Well, one more main activity is we encourage all our trainers to write articles of their passion. It is
Yes.
published once in a month, and that is also circulated on social media. So trainers are, both knowledge sharing session and articles express their skills to the people on social media.
Oh, okay. And with your experience, how do these knowledge sharing sessions and the e-journal, how do they benefit the members who are trainers, Dr. Paul?
Well, what I observed is all the trainers are not, visible on social media.
Yes.
So I take that responsibility when we conduct knowledge sharing sessions, and that is converted into YouTube video. It is circulated on social media, and their articles of their passion are published in e-journal and circulated in social media. They get the visibility on social media, and they
Yes.
get invitation to conduct knowledge share. They conduct training sessions in organizations and educational institution. I myself a testimony for it, because in March 19 I got an invitation from Madras Christian College. There are about 38 departments, more than 400 faculties, more than 5,000 students. They invited me to conduct a training session to their faculties to teach, ego states, transactions, strokes, to make their relationship with students better, so that students improve their educational quality. This was partly for, for getting NAAC certification. Now that you know what are the benefit for trainers in IAI platform, would you like to join IAI platform as a trainer? If so, we are sharing the link. You can click the link and join IAI platform. Welcome to IAI platform. We will help you to be visible on social media. You can showcase your training programs. You can write your articles in e-journal. So we help you to be visible on social media.
That's amazing, Dr. Paul. Only through the e-journals and knowledge sharing sessions, you got so much of coverage and visibility.
Yeah.
That's absolutely fantastic. And what was your profession before you joined IAI3? I think our viewers would like to know.
Well, I joined a company called Consolidated Hoist Private Limited, Pune, in 1973.
Yes.
I was a marketing professional. I'm
Yes.
an MBA in with specialization in marketing and finance.
Yes,
So
sir.
as a marketing person, I should travel all India to meet our topmost customers and topmost people. So that way I learn how to interact with people, how to achieve our growth for our company. So, and one thing I like was
Yes.
I like I experience goodness of people. For example, I used to visit all over
Fantastic.
India. When I'm in Delhi, Karol Bagh used to be my second home, and I used to go to Faridabad, Ghaziabad,
Yes.
all that thing. Then I used to go to Haryana, Punjab. I used to go to Chandigarh. I like Chandigarh. Then I used to go to, I went to Bihar, Kahalgaon, city of silk. Then I went to Orissa, Angol, Calcutta. Calcutta I went. In Calcutta, Victoria Memorial, Howrah Bridge, and Calcutta is a silk city.
Yes.
When I go to South Chennai, I used to go. Pondi Bazaar used to be my second home in Chennai. Then I used to go to Kanjipuram. I am fond of Kanjipuram silk for my family. Then I used to visit,
Right.
Telangana, Hyderabad, Charminar, Ramoji Film City, Golconda, and go to Karnataka. I used to, go to Belgaum very often. Then I go to Dandeli. Then then Belgaum. I like very much this Ramoji Film City. They are all in memory. Then I went to Gujarat, Baroda, Vapi, Surat, and Chhattisgarh, Korba, Bilaspur, Bhilai City, Steel City, Raipur. So that way, UP, I go to Dehradun. From there, I went to Mussoorie, and I went to Varanasi. I visited Sri Kashi Vishwanath Temple. I took darshan of Ganga River and Kashi Vishwanath and sought his blessings. So that is there in my life. So that way, when I remember all my experiences, I feel our country is the best and the people of India are very good. Now, my question to you is, have you visited these places and experienced goodness of people?
Yes, yes, sir. My father was in the army, so I have traveled extensively through India. And
Okay.
as you said that, sometimes there's a train in the mountains and it has an engine in the beginning, but they put an engine at the back, it's like a booster. So it gets a push. So people come into your life and they give you a real boost and life changes completely and you meet lovely people.
Yeah.
So I'm sure you had such a lot of lovely experiences, sir.
Yeah.
And so can you kindly tell us that you have become a TA trainer? How did you decide to start training in TA?
Well, Anjali Madam, when I was studying MBA, Business Administration in 84, there was a subject called Executive Skills Development.
Right, right.
Now, I learned my first two lessons of TA, that is parent, adult, child.
Yes.
What is the structure and how they function. So I was very fascinated about it. I believe this transactional analysis is taught in many MBA schools, not only MBA,
Yes.
many other management subjects. So in 2004, that time I was 55-year-old. So I got an intuition that I want to become passionate about becoming a trainer and a counselor. So I met my trainer. I learned about ICTA. I learned about BTA, the procedures, how long it will take. So I joined my BTA journey, TA journey in 2004. It took about 2-3 years to study. not only I studied TA, I also started practicing. People started noticing my behavioral change. And I wanted to leave my job when I was 57, 58 year old.
Yes.
But my company suggested that I continue my tenure up to 60. I was a deputy general manager by that time. So I also thought, let me complete my tenure. In 2009, I discussed with my MD about my retirement in 2009 by age of
Yes.
60.
Yes.
But when he reviewed my, my service, he told me that you are one of the best, managerial person in our company. You have got good relation with employees, all the management staff, all the directors, dealers, customers. We don't want to lose you. So long you are able to drive and come to office, please continue your service. On your on completing 60, we will promote your general manager marketing. We will give a better car and good salary. So you continue your service till then. Well, I took a break after 5 years. At 65 in 2014, I retired as GM marketing.
Yes.
And my trainer got me back. Follows, please come back. That you have a desire, burning desire to continue TA. So I joined TA back. That was a lot of learning.
Yes.
I used to make about 45 presentations on TA topics, about 25 live counseling, book reading, book review, writing articles. It took about almost 1.5 years to complete all the learning of TA. And I have written, it was open book examination. I have written exam of 33 questions, about 115 pages. And then I got interview letter from my trainer. I went to Kochi. I attended Viva, and in 2016 I became a BTA, and since then I am a TA trainer.
Wow, there's such a lot of achievements.
Yes,
And I'm sure your boss, he found in you some kind of a transformation that he wanted you to continue.
Yeah.
Dr. Paul, do you take any training sessions at present?
Yes. After becoming a TA trainer, I started offline classes, and I conducted few training program. I used to get about 4 or 5 participants for each session.
Yes.
Then when I used to put this on social media, I used to get inquiry when are you conducting the next session? I would like to join. So I used to conduct a TA session in Orbit Hotel in Deccan Gymkhana. And seeing my visibility on social media, I got an invitation from Delhi. So I went to Delhi, conducted one training session in Delhi. Then this Madras Christian College invited me for training their faculties to build good communication and interaction with their students, to make them good relationship, give them stroke, so that students come up to a level of improve their cognitive power and become a best student. Now Corona has I would say it's a blessing, because like any other trainer, Corona told me, now you don't have offline classes, you switch over to online training.
Online, that's right.
So for me, I am a first generation person. For me to learn from beginning how to operate Zoom, how to operate Google Meet,
Yes.
how to connect to people. I have to learn all that thing. So I started my online classes. Yes. And I was getting good response. And then I got an invitation from one education institute from Pune.
Yes.
To be on their board of facilitator for taking TA classes. I
Yes.
take it in TA classes. The duration is 1 month, 18 hours.
Yes.
With TA in organization and TA in education. Besides this, I conduct my certified transactional course, basic course. Now the next one I planned is in September 21, 8 to 11. I am inviting all of you, and today if you are joining, I am giving the energy exchange is 3,500. Early bird is up to 31st August is 3,000. But from the IAI platform, I am making a special offer of 2,000 rupees for today and tomorrow. If you are interested, please register in the link I have shared. All are welcome to become learn TA concept, become TA trainer. You can start your YouTube video. I have my YouTube video with 74 videos. They all explain what are the TA concept. You can go through the e-journals where every month I written articles on TA concept. So you can become a TA trainer. You need to go for advanced level, and then you become a certified trainer. You become a trainer. You become a YouTuber. You can do the blogging. You can also become an author. So you've got multiple options. Once you learn TA concept, your adult ego state is activated and your cognitive power is improved, and you keep learning. There is no age. If you are a graduate, you can go for PG. If you are a PG, you can go for PhD. You can go for an MBA. You can go for a finance class. That way, there is no age limit for education and coming up. Even people at the age of 85 also go for PG and PhD. So I think you should, do you accept me as a role model so that you also become a trainer and succeed in life? If anybody would like to put in chat box, the yes, because I will encourage you to become a TA trainer.
Yes, I will also check if you're getting some comments from our viewers. I'm sure all of them would like to join your sessions, Dr. Paul. First thing, it's a very hefty discount, 1,000 rupees off.
Yeah.
Second thing, it's incredible that you have 74 videos on your YouTube channel. It's just amazing when you get the time to do all that, and the topics, and I'm sure it needs so much of process and organizing. So heartiest congratulations to you. So my question to you again is, how do you intend, or what kind of plans have you made to spread TA throughout India and out of India?
Well, my first trainer, Father George Kandatil, who inaugurated Pune chapter, wanted Pune chapter people, trainers, to take TA to all India. Okay. So I have participants from all over India, and after they become TA trainers, I'll be making their place a study center. So that is how I want to spread India throughout India. Plus, I'm sure in my journey of TA education, I'll get more and more people from different part of the cities, and once they become TA trainer, I can spread my wings throughout India, and I'm sure my mission of spreading TA concept to India and taking classes of my mission, that will be achieved throughout India.
Okay, that's wonderful. In fact, it's kind of a divine plan. That's yes, absolutely amazing. And so, on a personal note, how has TA helped you in your life? How did it transform you as a human being?
Well, sometime back, about 40 years back, I was a blue-eyed boy in my company. So I had a superiority complex. All those who have got core competence, they got superiority complex. So I was, sort of considering myself to be on a high note. In 2004 or 1984, when I passed MBA, my superiority complex increased. Not only that, I started applying Theory X. Theory X means unless I put pressure or scold, shout at the people, don't work. But in 2004, when I learned TA concept, I changed from Theory X to Theory Y. And people started noticing behavioral change in me. They started liking me. They told me that you have changed a lot. How did you change it? And I said, the TA concept helped me. Now, one of the thing in that, actually, I was able to relate to my customers, my dealers, employees more and more. I was able to understand their difficulties, support them, help them. And
Yes.
I had a passion of, I used to conduct, whenever I attend a training session, I used to conduct that training session in our office for the benefit of our management staff. So that way, the personal change was taking place. So one of the benefits is that my
Right.
MD noticed it, and he said, "I'm really happy with your behavioral change. The kind of person you are, we need you in our organization. So therefore, I am promoting your GM marketing. Continue, keep doing good job. So you are allowed to continue your job till you are able to drive and come to the office." So this is I give this credit to TA. Without TA, I could have not achieved this personal change and growth. So I invite all my viewers to come forward, learn TA and become a TA trainer. You have, as I mentioned to you, you have 5 income, continue your job, become a TA trainer, become a YouTuber, you become a blogger, you think of writing books. So there is no age limit. Go for higher and higher education. I want you to succeed in life, because succeed is your birthright. Success is your birthright.
So you're really a role model, because Peter Drucker, he used to say that every 3 years he learns a new skill, and he goes into details and he takes it up like a passion. I think that you're doing the same thing. And of course, would you like to share some parting wisdoms to our viewers? I'm sure they'd like to hear that, and then I will share some phone numbers with them.
Yes, TA concept help you to examine your personality.
Yes.
What are the contents in your ego state? Because when you are a child, you are suppressed. You are not allowed to, you are not allowed to develop your personality. 0 to 6 years, your child ego state is developed. The child ego state is the source of all your foundation of the person. That is intuition, creativity, and friendliness, loving nature.
Yes.
All that quality you require, and this you have to continue having this quality throughout your life. There are people who have disconnected their child ego state. They are always serious. They don't enjoy life. So with that, they are not able to be creative, intuitive, fun-loving, making friendly, connecting to people. So you learn TA concept, examine your life. Socrates said 2,400 years ago that an unexamined life is not worth living. So those days we didn't have any tool to examine your life. Now in Eric Berne, who developed TA in 1958, has given us a 12 TA concept that should be considered as a tool to examine your life, remove the blocks that was there in your while growing, develop develop your personality, start relating to people, communicate with people, go for higher and higher studies. Once your adult power is active, your your cognitive power improves, and you start going for higher and higher education. You take me as a role model. You see how now I'm 72, even at this age. Now I am planning to go for MTA. That is, after BTA, I had to go for 2-year MTA to become a higher TA trainer. So I invite you. So those who are keen, please join my basic course in September. Then you can go for advanced studies. So I welcome you to the TA community.
Thank you so much, Dr. Paul. Thank you for coming on to our conversations over coffee and sharing such insightful thoughts on TA. It was such a pleasure having you here, and I'm sure myself and my viewers, they have learned so much from you today. Thank you so much. I thank you on behalf of IAI3. And for our viewers, if you would like to come and share this platform and speak to us, tell us about your stories, I'm going to tell you a few phone numbers. So the phone number of our president, Dr. Neeta Parathe, it is 99229 00411. I'll just repeat it, 992229 00411. The phone number of Dr. Paulo Zarimbur, our Vice President, it is 98228 76170. 98228 76170. And my number, I'm Anjali Sanghvi. It is 98815 08680. 98815 08680. Our next speaker next Friday is Ms. Jyoti Malkani, and she is going to tell us how to do business in a very human way. She is a CA, she is very qualified. She runs a lot of courses as well. She helps a lot of people. So I look forward to having all of you there. Thank you so much, Dr. Paul. Hope to have lots.
Thank you. Thank you, Anjali madam.
Sessions
Thank you,
on
my
this platform.
viewers. Thank you, my participants. Anybody want to give a feedback? Anybody there?
Yes, viewers, any feedback from you? Let me check if we are getting any feedback on the comment section. I think people are extremely happy with your talk, sir. Some people have said, kudos to you. Thank you for this lovely talk. Beautiful. I think you managed to touch some heartstrings, sir. Thank you, viewers. Thank you, Dr. Paul. I will see you again.
Thank you, viewers. Thank you, participants. Thank you, Anjali madam. And thank you, Dr. Nita, for giving me an opportunity on this IAI3 platform. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Wonderful, wonderful interview. And yeah, there are so many comments and people are very happy to see both of you, and conversation goes very smoothly, and it was really wonderful, wonderful to know all about you, Dr. Paul, and your journey. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.